Okay, before parts and pieces get lost, we're going to put this back on. And what Tommy did was, there was actually a ridge right here. And he cut it off. This was poking me in the tailbone. He cut it off. And he restapled it. So, now we're going to see if it works. We'll get it all back together. This is the first part of today's project. I got bolts around here somewhere. Hi, dummy. Hi, Regina. Regina! Regina, say hi. There you go. We're probably going to be on strike again, but... as soon as we're done with that, we'll finish the oil change and the dually, tranny lines, electrical. I got to get the bed back in here tomorrow. I gotta get some Rust-Oleum, start painting on that, drilling holes in that. It would really be nice to have this truck done. It's gotta be done by spring. I've lost out on many potentials. No way to get them. And I'm tired of asking people to do things for me, so we're trying to get it done. There's a few buys, really good buys, that I had to pass up. She's on the lift. She's awaiting. So without further ado, let's get cracking. These things are always a pain to get off. I probably could use a wire cutter, but I don't know where it is. So I'm just nibbling. Apparently Regina found something that's a lot more fun than actually doing garage work. Hey, what are you doing? Why when you shake do you sound like you're going to rattle apart? Wow. This? Oh, stuff's like rubber. That was just a problem. So now we have a brand new plastic one. Make sure it's clean against the head there. There's nothing on it. And look. A brand new plastic one. I don't know if that makes me happy or not. I don't think so. I just got to get the oil changed in the truck because I know there's gas in it still, and I'll get all that. So now, put the plug in, we'll swap the filters quick. We'll drop it on the floor a couple times. And we'll go from there. What are my dogs getting into now? When you change oil too, try to make your life easy. Proper filter wrench. This is like a small one I use. This one is this is the one I use for Fords. Have the right tools for the right job, and do yourself a favor. I know that this is super easy. Look, adjustable. Eventually, it's going to catch up on you. You're going to need a new one. Do it the right way. 7/8 wrench for a Ford. Use the wrench. Believe me, you'll thank yourself later. Yo. I can sure I'm gonna have dogs in oil. They're gonna be trying. We're gonna crack these loose. No, hey! What did I say? We're just loosen these up. Try to leave them drip off a little bit. These are the remote oil filters. I actually have a tranny filter the same way. I just haven't figured out if we're going to use it yet. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't hurt. Yep, couldn't pick the perfect spot. Get out of there! I'm not yelling at myself, believe me. I am by no means yelling at myself. Regina? No. There's certain drawbacks with tiny dogs. This oil doesn't smell bad, but it does smell some gas in it. Because it hasn't been in here that long. This I do know. But with the cold start, see, it's like water. So there's much fuel in it. Which, I get it. I want to get a big pipe cutter so I can start cutting these oil filters apart. Let's go find the other filters and wash our hands. We'll be back. We got our oil filters. Just like the Jeep filter, but it's shorter. Light film oil around here. Screw it right on here. I have one of these for now because I'm not done with this whole menagerie. But they won't be down as low. Remember, hand tight, folks. Hand tight. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Quick lube around the edges. Put this one up. And we're done with this. I'm going to probably use Wicks or Napa Gold once I am actually using the truck. There. Oh, now. I think. Yep. Oh, one more Ooga Dooga. Okay, we'll get rid of this oil, let it down. We're going to put some mega thick engine treatment in it. Lucas, of course. Think of the way it gets started and stopped a lot. That'll keep the oil clinging to the bearings and whatnot more. I'll actually start running it. We're doing what we can to protect the motor, right? We're going to put a bottle of Lucas in it. The easiest way to do this is it's dirty, but it's got clean oil inside. Squirt this whole thing in there. Shake it around good because this is like motor honey. So by doing it this way, it comes out better. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and we even save a cap. That's even a good thing. Because look at it. See? You know how long it'll take for that to go down the engine? So we put it here like this and we just squeeze on it. Look at that. Makes it a lot easier. We'll shake it up good with the oil. This Lucas is really good stuff. Used to use it when we had our own big truck. Regina, you mind? Nope, she doesn't, not at all. See, could you imagine this is a lot of work? it's going to take for this all to burn out. But now I have almost a full quart of oil, or gallon of oil here. So waste not, what not. And then I'll fill this up, shake it around real good. What did that give us? Three and a half quarts. No, a little more. Like 3 3/4. So that'll be fine. Okay, gonna find a funnel, I'll dump this in. We'll complete the oil change. Okay, let's see, once this old dog pumps this oil up, no bilo, we'll see if she quiets down. Hopefully. Tap it a little bit. There we go, she's quiet. Nice. That's great. Great news. Great news. Great news. That takes care of that problem. Hopefully when you start this bad girl up anymore, she won't brr, 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 brr. The oil was that thin from gas and dilution, so hopefully we're good there now. The only weird part is the oil pressure light should have came on when I started and it didn't, so I got to look into that, why it didn't come on. So, on to the next part. Check the levels and then we're going to transmission lines. But luckily, one moment, pre-bent lines from the other truck. They're like brand new for a C6. So hopefully that'll help some. So it won't be near the guesswork. That'll be great. Stay tuned. Okay, now we have to sidetrack. I need to figure out how to be able to wheel myself around. I can't stand, I gotta sit. So I wonder, cart, chairs, Let me think about this. That's not the greatest, but let's do plan B. So now, I can wiggle around, work in the truck, because I can't stand it, don't go high enough. So we try this instead, and we see how this works. It's a little bit inconvenient and high, but maybe I'll put a strap around it. I have them, that would work. Good idea. Now I think we'll just put this around here. So it gotta work. Like, hey, where are you going? The only problem I have is, oh, what are you doing? Yo, give me that back. Hello? Yo. Now what are you doing? Okay, this is a problem. I can't ratchet it the way I wanted to. Ew. Dog. You wreck everything. There, now reach under here. There. I didn't really want it. Well, you gotta redo it. We don't want any wraps in our invention. It's gonna be uncomfortable soldiers. You know what I mean? There. There. Now, I should be able to wheel around, do whatever I want to do. Perfect. Perfect. As you can see, look at this mess. I'm going to attempt to try to eliminate the radiator cooler. I've seen so many of them go bad inside. Then pretty soon you're getting transmission fluid pumped into your radiator or antifreeze pumped into your, what do you call it? There is a tranny cooler in here. And I have another one. So I have two. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the grill out. And we're going to try to hook two here up along with the filter. The only problem I'm having with the filter, no matter where I go with this filter, it's going to stink. So I think I'll just put it behind the grill, and when I got to do the filter, I guess I just got to pop the grill, right? That's what I'm thinking. Mm-hmm. Apparently, Regina is cleaning up all my garbage. But anyway. We gotta find a grill because this one has a thingy broke out of it. Unless I can find another grill and take that thingy out and glue it in this one. But this one's broke too. So somebody was abusing. I guess you couldn't see it, huh? Look, broken. So I gotta find a grill for it anyways. So now, see one tranny cooler. I'm gonna put another one on this side. I'm going to try to bypass the one in the radiator. It'll be a lot cleaner because there won't be anything on this side. It'll only be here. The filter, I'm going to try to make a bracket and put the filter right here. I mean, kind of like you said, it kind of stinks. I'm going to have to take the grill off to see the filter. But that filter's like every 10,000 miles or something. So that won't be bad. And then this is a pretty big cooler. So, and we're running full synthetic AMSOIL transmission fluid, so that'll help. So, without further ado, let's keep cracking. Okay, so if I bend this bracket like an L, then I take this and I mount it on this bracket, but it would sit here like this. Just enough from the change it, that would clear. And then I can take the other cooler and put it here. So I can come out of here, go into a cooler, come out of a cooler, go into this, and come out of this. And back to the transmission. That's looking like a plan to me. Can't put it here. First of all, I don't want to buy new fittings, so I'm cheap. Second of all, the grill will be in the way. So if you put it here on the side, like this, you can tuck it in there. If I have to notch the louvers in the grill a little bit that are already broken, that's fine. Then I'll have two coolers here. And the filter. Sounds like a plant. Nope, probably won't work, but we're going to try it anyway. We're going to try it anyway. We have to wreck everything in sight. Don't we, Regina? Regina, don't we? She has to shred everything. Everything. What are you doing? Huh? What? Milo. Does the thought ever occur to you that you could possibly be a little bit too big for her? Yeah, well, I got work to do. So, till we get all the parts for the front end, filter, hoses, fittings, whatever else we need, we're going to be pretty much done. But as soon as we get all the parts in, we'll be right back at you. We're going to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell thingamajiggy. More subscribers, the easier it is to keep doing what we're doing. You have a great night and a good weekend.